Welcome back to my channel. This is how I did this simple but nice necklace. This is a things that I use here. I use hook. Then there are some accessories that I use. And also the type of bead that I use here is one that I would call the tiger eye. Very, very fine bead. So let's go there. First of all, you have to tap your hook, tap it one place, then you begin to select your bead. Then you have to choose how to start. If to start from the round one, then while doing it, you have to make sure that it matches. Like what I did here is I put yes, I put four, four round one before I put two. Then you have to be doing it one after the other. After the two, then I'll put another one round. Then before I put one accessory, then after the accessory I'll put another one before I put. This is how I do it. You have to make sure that the one that is in one side, because this is neck that we're talking about here, you have to make sure that this side matches with the other side, so as to be equal. This one, this side, the other side. When you did it perfectly, you will like the bead.